Ahoy! Let's think. Today we answer the question, what if you only eat pizza for the rest of your life? Pizza is probably one of the few foods we've all eaten at some point in our lives. In the US alone, more than 3 billion pizzas are sold each year, with pepperoni being the most popular type. Altogether, that's about 251 million pounds of pizza a year. Although there are a lot of different varieties of pizza sizes and every person can eat different amounts, we'll make things simple and say we'll eat a medium-sized 14-inch pepperoni pizza a day. That's about 8 slices, which amounts to 2,920 slices a year. That sure is a lot of bread, tomato sauce, cheese and pepperoni. Now we know how much we're eating, let's take a look at what we're eating. One standard slice of pizza contains about 285 calories, 5 grams of saturated fat, 640 milligrams of sodium, 18 milligrams of cholesterol and 36 grams of carbs. So, by eating a whole pizza in one day, you'll be consuming 192% of the daily value of saturated fat and 208% of the daily value of sodium. Eating that much fat and sodium every day can result in a number of health issues. Studies where people ate nothing but pizza for just a weekend reported low energy, stomach aches, and dizziness on just the first day. If you continuously eat pizza every day, you'll also most likely be prone to high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and diabetes. So while it may be really tasty, pizza isn't really an everyday type of food. It's good to change what you eat and include fruits, vegetables, and a variety of protein and grains into your diet to remain healthy. So that answers the question, what happens if you only eat pizza for the rest of your life? That took some thinking. If you do end up enjoying our videos, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated when a new one gets uploaded.